Considering the above reactions, the compound A and compound B respectively are. Now this is the reactant. तो reactant का formula है CH3CH2Cl. Reactant is alkyl halide. Now when it is treated with NaCN, the product formed will be. Now NaCN is ionic compound. So it will break into Na plus and Cn minus ions, and Cn minus ion will have the negative charge on the carbon atom, and CH3 CH2 Cl, here carbon chlorine bond will break, giving positive charge on the carbon atom. Cn minus ion will attack this positively charged carbon atom, and this carbon having the negative group will get bonded to the carbon of the alkyl halide. So the main product will be CH3 CH2 Cn, and when CH3 CH2 Cl reacts with AgCN. Now AgCN is covalent compound. So what happens? This CH3 CH2 Cl, when this carbon chlorine bond breaks, there is positive charge on the carbon. Now lone pair of electron or nitrogen will attack this positively charged carbon, and the bond between silver and carbon atom break, giving negative charge on the carbon atom. So the product here is CH3 CH2 N triple bond C, N with positive charge and carbon having negative charge. This product is cyanide, and this product is isocyanide. So when treated with NaCN, major product is cyanide, where carbon is bonded to the carbon of the alkyl group, and when treated with AgCN, major product is isocyanide, in which nitrogen is bonded to carbon of the alkyl group. So the correct option is option 3.